Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to go through some example and sketch. So I'm going to be drawing some sketches, not too complex, but just to understand how to use our sketch tool more. So I have some sketches with me, which I'm going to draw using all these tools. So let's start. Okay. Okay. I'm giving my rectangle dimension. So okay, I also have something like a jog around there. Okay, now I want to use a corner rectangle. I'm picking from here to here and I'm trimming. Okay, good. So I have to dimension. So from this side to this edge, 25, and this middle, the dimension is 20. So I have to define the depth of this place, which is 20. Okay, now it is fully defined. Okay, that's 535. Okay, good. So now I have a O here. Okay, the position of the O is 15 from each side. Okay, so that's the position of the O, and okay, I need a construction line. So before that, let me just I don't need this. Okay, okay. So from here, I can either use arc, or I just choose to use circle because I will trim it of radius 21 or diameter 42. Okay, so here and this line they have a concentric relationship, coincidence relationship. So can move it around. So I can just trim it off. Okay. Yes. Okay. So from this center point, so I can okay. Let me pick the circumference to pick the okay from here. Oh, sorry. Okay, 50. So it's 50 because I use my construction line. So now 50. So I have chamfer around this edge of 10 mm in the four places. Okay, so done. So, and I think lastly I have something like slots. Which slots am I using? Okay, something like this. Okay, I have radius of 10 mm. Okay, good. And I have distance from here to here to be 75. Okay, so then I'll trim off the side I don't want. So, so I think my sketch is okay. I think my sketch is ready. Okay. So there's the first sketch, and you can. Okay, this sketch is symmetry. So we have this feature, this jog and this O also here. So instead of repeating the same, instead of drawing and adding dimension, so I'm going to use mirror entity. So to mirror it, entity to mirror this, 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 and then this, and I'm going to mirror about here. So you can see we have it here. Good. So to finish it up, I have to trim. So it's control. Okay, let me trim. Okay, okay, that's where we have the error. So and then close it back. So okay, then you can add thickness. So we can add thickness of probably 10 mm, and then that's all. We are done with this sketch. So I'm going to use another example again so that we can understand understand the understand how to sketch in Solidworks. So I'll just delete this and edit this sketch. So I'm going to delete all. So I'm going to demonstrate how to just draw a simple wheel. So doing so, we need to circle. So I need construction line from this middle down there. That's all. Under construction line from here to here. Okay, so I need to define the diameter of both circle. First one has 100 as its diameter, and this have 30 30, okay, oh, 30. Okay, good. I'm just moving them closer. There is no need because it won't affect the results, but I'm just trying to make my work neat. Okay. Okay, good. So the third one, I'm going to define the third circle with radius with radius 100 Okay, no, the third one is bigger, which it has diameter of 240. So the radius is going to be 120. 20. Okay, good. So yeah, 120. Good. So we want to draw our ribs. So I'll use this second circle, and there should be another circle of radius. Okay, so before that, I will use these two circles to draw our ribs, and the thickness of our rib is 20 So what I'm going to do now is to offset this 10 to this side and 10 to the other side. So I'm going to reverse direction. Okay, and okay, so and this also, I'm going to offset this. Let's see what we have. 10 So this side, okay. Then let's offset 10 to this direction. So okay, okay. I just change the distance. It's too wide. Right? Okay, and this also, where is the dimension? Okay, so then the trim. Okay, so okay, so we can trim this off. Okay, trim this. So you can re-add the dimension 5, 5, and the radius also it will be the same thing. So just add. Okay. So now let's add fillet. Uh, Fillets to. Okay. Before that, I'm going to trim this side. Okay. So fillets to this edge. Okay. Um, Let me reduce the radius of the fillet. Five. Okay. And let's say this to be 2. So good. Okay. Let's say we fully define this side. So I'm going to use revolve. I'm going to use circular sketch pattern. So circular sketch pattern is point. I'll just pick this circle and entity to pattern this edge, this edge, and this edge. So you add the fillet too. So we have our sketch ready, and you can also add thickness to it. Just add any thickness, probably 10 mm, and then so this is what we have. So before that, Ctrl Z, there should be a hole at this middle, which is of diameter 15 mm. Okay, perfect. So you can then go to add your thickness. Good. So we have our rib. We have our wheel in drawn, and I'm going to also use another sketch for an example. So to do that also, I will delete this and then edit. So okay, okay. So let's just go from this and then start a new sketch afresh. So here I have a drawing which is not symmetry, but we are going to put it together. So okay, let me use corner rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to define the whole side dimension of the rectangle, which is 100 mm by 75 mm. Okay, this side is 75. So okay, so we have So we have steps along the side. So to do that, let me just use simple method, which is, let me add lines. Okay, this way it goes up, this way. That's the second step. Okay, third step comes this way, and then goes this way. Okay, so we have this kind of step there. So we don't have this. We have this side being trimmed. Okay, so can we add the dimension, which is 75, not 7. Okay, good. So just make sure you don't have unnecessary relationship in your sketch. So this first step, so you pick this line, or you just pick here. Yeah, the same thing. That's height of 10 mm, and you have this side to be 10 mm, and we have the other height. It is defined from this line. That's it, like, so we have it to be 30. Okay, and also we have from here to here to be 20. So the next step, which is have it to be 55. 55, and on this side to be 35. Okay, okay, I think it's 38. Okay, good. So I'll just set it. Okay, it's perfect this way. So which other side do we have? We have a hole at this side of a circle of 30 mm in diameter. That's 15 mm if we are designing using radius. 30. Okay, and the position is defined from here, 40, and to the other side it is defined 45, from here 45. Okay, so okay, so we have a cut here also around there, and trim. Okay, so this side 8, and this thickness 10, 10, and the depth 30. Okay, I think it's fully defined here. So, and lastly, we have something like we have chamfer here. Can do that using two methods. You can just click our chamfer and then angle distance, our distance to be um 38. Okay, so let's use sketch. So from this point to this, we have it to be 30, 38, 38. Okay, and we have the angle from here to this line. We have it to be 40 degrees. So now we're done with our sketch. Just to trim off this side and this side. This dimension has been removed. So we add dimension. It's the same thing, still 75. So okay, we have our sketch defined fully. So you can now also add thickness, probably 20 or 8. Okay, sorry. Okay, enter. So that's the third sketch. So I think I'm going to end this practical tutorial here. We'll continue in the next class with complex feature modeling. I mean complex part modeling. So thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe and share, and also don't forget to like my video.